Welcome to Mass Academy, Unit number 4, Exercise 4.1. Our main topic is here partial fraction. Question number 1 we have taken first of all resolve into partial fraction. That question number 1, 3x plus 8 divided by x plus 2 over x minus 3. Here our factors are in linear because the power of x is 1. I'm talking about denominator. This is case number 1 actually. See case number 1 here we have linear fraction, that is 1 over x plus a x plus b. We can write them into a over x plus a plus b over x plus b. Let the main fraction that we are converting into partial, this is equal to a over x plus 2, first factor and denominator x plus 2, and second b over x minus 3. This is equation number 1. After that, next step we will be multiplying the equation number 1 by LCM, that is x plus 2 x minus 3. We will be multiplying both sides of the equation, left and right. Now left side we have written x plus 3 x minus 3 into the main fraction, that is 3x plus 8 into x plus 3 x minus 2, and also with b that is we have written a over x minus 2 will multiply, and also with b that we have written b over x minus 3 will multiply, the same LCM, and with a x plus 2 gets cancelled and with b x minus 3 gets cancelled. Third step, now see whatever left we will be writing. Left hand side we can see only 3x plus 8 left, and right hand side with a x minus 3 left because x plus 2 got cancelled, with b left x plus 2 because x minus 3 got cancelled. This will be our equation number 2. We have reached in this step. Now our next step will be looking what is the denominator of a from equation number 1, that is x plus 2. Take same factor, put it equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, then it shows that if you shift plus 2 next side of the 0, then it shows that x is equal to minus 2. This value of the x, that is minus 2, we will be putting it in equation number 2, that is above of this line. Now our next step will be, in place of x we will be writing minus 2 in equation number 2. So first term is 3x plus 8, but 3 into x place we write minus 2. Come to next side, x minus 3, in place of x we write minus 2 minus 3, a plus x plus b, it means minus 2 plus 2b. Now next step, 3 multiply minus 2, it come minus 6 plus 8 is already there, is equal to minus 3 minus 2, it comes minus 5. We are adding it, not multiplying, plus minus 2 plus 2, it comes 0 into b. And similarly we are going to next step, that is minus 6 plus 8 plus 2, answer come because we are taking out minus 6 from 8, plus 2 come. The same way further it will be minus 5a because, and plus 0 multiplying b, it comes 0. Now minus that is 2 is equal to minus 5a. We are going to find the value of a. This is our main purpose right now, and it is clear that a shifting minus 5, that is multiplying by a, next side it will be divided by 2, that is 2 or minus 5. In the last we can write that the value of a is equal to minus 2 over 5. So the value of a is found. Our next target will be getting the value of b. Value of a is minus 2 over 5. Now our next point is target is to get the value of b. First of all we will see the denominator of b in equation number 1, that is x minus 3. We will take the factor x minus 3 and equal it to 0. 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. The same way we are going to shift minus 3 next side. X is equal to plus 3. In equation 2 we are putting this value of x, that is plus 3. As equation number 2 is in front of us, and equation number 2, that is 3x plus 8, in place of x now we are writing plus 3 plus 8 is equal to with a x minus 3, so in place of x we'll be writing plus 3 minus 3 into a, after this plus 3 because the value of x is 3 plus 2 into b. After this 3 multiplied by 3 it comes 9 plus 8, and next side 3 minus 3 0, and plus 3 plus 2 b, 5b and 0 with a, it comes after this we can see 9 plus 8 it comes 17. Next side 0 multiplied by a it comes 0, we are not writing it further 0, it's not necessary to write it, so 5b only you've written. Now we are going to shift 5, that next side it will be 17 over 5 because 5 will be divided next side if we shift. It shows that in the last we have found the value of b, that is b is equal to 17 over 5. We reached almost in the end of the questions because we have found the value of a and b. Now we are going to put the value of a and the value of b in equation number 1. We already have equation number 1 that is in front of us. Now we are going to put the value of a and b in equation number 1. Value of a is minus 2 over 5 and value of b is 17 over 5. Again the main question we have right now, that is 3x plus 8 divided by x plus 2 x minus 3. We will be writing the main equation or main question again, 3x plus 8 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 3. And equation number 1 we see that we let it a over x plus 2, it means now we are going to write in place of a the value of a, that is minus 2 over 5. Denominator will be written same as x plus 2 plus, and the value of b that we found also 17 over 5, and denominator same. Next and last step we will write it, that is n's 3x plus 8 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to that 5 we can write with denominator x plus 2, minus 2 only will write as a numerator. Similarly b value denominator 5 we can write this denominator x minus 3, 5 into x minus 3, and 17 will be written above. From here this question is over.